Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious pork steak. First, let's choose the right cut. Opt for shoulder blade or sirloin steaks, known for their rich flavor. Good marbling, those small streaks of fat, is key for a juicy result. Aim for steaks about 3/4 to 1 inch thick for even cooking. This ensures a tender and flavorful meal every time. Now, let's get our pork steaks ready for cooking. First, pat them thoroughly dry with paper towels. This helps achieve a beautiful sear. Next, season generously on both sides with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and any other desired spices. Finally, let the seasoned steaks rest at room temperature for about 15 minutes before cooking. This promotes even cooking and better flavor. There are several fantastic ways to cook pork steak. For a classic sear, heat a cast iron skillet over medium-high heat. Sear the steaks for 3 to 5 minutes per side until golden brown. Then, transfer them to an oven preheated to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Cook until the internal temperature reaches 145 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring a safe and juicy result. The final, crucial step is resting your pork steak. After cooking, transfer the steaks to a cutting board and let them rest for 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the internal juices to redistribute throughout the meat, ensuring every bite is incredibly tender and moist. Then, slice against the grain for the most enjoyable texture. Serve immediately and enjoy your perfectly cooked pork steak.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.